Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do upon division. Division is a core mathematical operation that helps us distribute a total quantity into equal groups. Imagine you have 20 cookies and want to share them equally among 4 friends. Division tells you each friend gets 5 cookies. It's essentially the process of repeatedly subtracting one number from another until you can no longer do so, revealing how many times it fits. Understanding the parts of a division problem is crucial. We start with the dividend, which is the total amount we are splitting. Then we have the divisor, the number of equal groups or the size of each group. The answer we get is called the quotient. Sometimes there's a number left over that cannot be evenly divided. This is known as the remainder. For example, dividing 23 by 4 gives a quotient of 5 with a remainder of 3. Long division is a systematic way to divide larger numbers. You begin by setting up your problem, placing the dividend under the division bar and the divisor to its left. Then, you divide the first part of the dividend by the divisor, write the quotient above, multiply and subtract. Bring down the next digit and continue this cycle. This method breaks down complex divisions into manageable, step-by-step calculations, making it easier to find the exact quotient and any remainder. Here are some helpful tips for division. Always remember that you cannot divide any number by 0. It's an undefined operation. Practicing your multiplication facts will significantly boost your division skills. To verify your answer, simply multiply your quotient by the divisor, then add any remainder. This sum should perfectly match your original dividend, confirming your calculation is correct. This simple check ensures accuracy and builds confidence in your mathematical abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.